Yes, sir.
Huh, I'm audible now?
Yeah.
Okay. So as we were learning types of function, right? And we
Yeah.
have done for one function, that is also known as one function is
Uh,
also known as
also known as onto
injective function, na?
injector. Yeah.
Injective function. I think you are not doing revision, na? Hello?
Um,
Are you
no, sir.
doing
I
revision
could.
daily?
I'm not like daily, but maybe.
You should do it. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So we done one function, that is also known as injective, and after that we done for many one function, है ना?
Many one.
So
Yeah,
can you
many one
define,
function.
can you define one function? Can you please define one function? Yes, tell me.
Like it's like if both of them is like one like how do I tell?
What do you know about the one function? We have already learnt it, है ना?
Hmm.
Yes. So tell me, what do you know about the one function? See, that's why I told you कि do self study every day, okay?
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be not good for you, है ना?
Hmm. Yeah.
Yeah, so I hope from today you will do it. Okay. Mainly we
Hmm.
say that कि a function f है ना is said to be one function or injective function if image of distinct element of x under the function f are distinct, है ना? Means
Hmm.
the each element of the set A, the first set, has its a unique image or one image, है ना, for all elements of the set A in set B, right? है ना? So
Yeah.
that type of function is known as one function, है ना?
Hmm.
And many one function means which is not
Which is not one.
one. Very good, है ना? A function which is not
Hmm.
one is known as many one function,
Many
right?
one.
And
Yeah.
it can be also defined as two or more than two elements have the same image in the set B, है ना? So that type of function is known as many one function. Okay. Now today we will learn about onto function. Okay.
Hmm.
We will learn about onto function. Just wait a minute. Yes, let's see here. So we'll learn about onto function. What type of function?
Hmm.
Onto function, है ना?
Yeah.
This is also known as, can you guess it?
On onto function, right?
Onto function is also known as, or surjective function. Okay.
Subjective.
Yes, or
Hmm.
surjective function. Clear na?
Hmm.
Or surjective function.
Sure. In the textbook, where is onto function? Like,
What?
can you tell the page number where in the textbook?
But onto function.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check it. The image onto. See, page number 7 of NCRT book. Definition 6. Definition 6.
Okay.
है ना? Onto function or surjective
Onto.
function.
Okay. Okay.
Yes, now give the heading and write. Give the heading and write a function f है ना, such that x tends to y is said to be onto,
A function है.
हाँ, a function
A
f
fun-
x tends to y, see in the screen, you can see now.
No, sir.
Okay,
No,
okay,
I'm
wait,
saying.
wait a minute. Now you can see it.
Mm.
Okay. So a function f x tends to y such that x tends to y, x to y is said to be onto, is said to be onto, or what, or surjective है ना, or
Mm.
surjective if every element of y, if every element of y, the set y है ना, is the image of, is the image of image of some element of x, some element of x, x means the set x, okay, under f, under f means the function, under the function, okay. There is one more definition for it, that is for every y belongs to n है ना, for every no, wait, just wait a minute. See, in other word we can say that, in other word, every element of y है ना, every
Mm.
element of y, the set y, okay, has at least at least one pre-image, one pre-image,
Mm.
okay, in x, in x, is it clear, in the set
Yeah.
x, okay now, that is we can say that it's mean, are you note down, are you noting it now?
Yeah.
Okay, good. That is we can say that for every, for every y belongs to n है ना, the natural number, then there exist, then there exist an element that is x है ना, which in x, the set x, okay, such that, such that fx is equal to y, okay, function of x is equal to y. As an example you can see here, suppose there are two sets, okay, there are two sets, okay, the set x and the set y. Now let's see here, suppose the set A has the elements a, wait, The set A has the elements A, B, C, D, okay, and the Y has the elements 1, 2, 3. As you can see here, the image of A is 1, means we can say that FA is equal to 1, B is 2, for FB it is 2, for C it is 3, FC equal to 3, and for D it is also 3, okay, FD is also 3. So here we can
Okay.
say that this function is onto function. This function is onto function. Why this function is onto function? Because as you can see here, every element of Y is a pre-image of element of the set X. Okay, did you understand? See,
Yeah.
here I have written na कि every element of Y, okay, it will be at least one pre-image in X. It has at least one pre-image in X. Okay, is it clear or any doubt?
Yes, sir.
The first definition was कि if every element of Y is the image of some element of X, है ना? Every
Hmm.
element of Y is the image of some element of X. As you can see here, every element of Y. See here, what are the elements of
Hmm.
Y? They are 1, 2, 3.
Two,
All
three.
are the image of elements of X, है ना? As you
Hmm.
can see here. So first, as we have to check whether it is a function or not. So as every element of X has a image in Y, right? है ना?
Hmm.
So yes, it is a has a unique image in Y, है ना? So yes, it is a
Hmm.
function. It's hold a function. And what type of function? As you can see here, कि every element of Y is a image of some elements of X, है ना? As you can see
Hmm.
here, right? है ना? So it will be a onto function. It will be a onto function. Is it clear
Hmm.
or
Yeah.
not? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
So
Clear.
first of all, please note down it. Okay. If you have noted the definition, then it's okay. Otherwise, please note down it. Otherwise, you have to note down the example. Okay. You have noted the definition,
Yeah.
both definition.
Yeah.
Now let's note down the example. Is done. So is there any doubt in onto function or surjective function? Hello? Hello Akshat?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
Okay. Let's see the another type, that is into function. Okay. Into function. Okay na? Write a function which is not onto,
Mhm.
is called into function. Is called into function. Okay.
Okay.
हाँ, a function which is not onto is called into function. Okay, or in
Hmm.
other words we can say that कि in other word, if there exists even a number, even a single element, even a single element in B, in set B, having no pre-image, have no pre-image, okay, have no any pre-image. You can also write like this, pre-image in set A, है ना, in set A is called into function, into function, okay, is it clear? That is, we can say
Yeah.
that, as see here, suppose there is a set X, okay, and there is a set Y, okay, and their elements are, the elements of the set A are, let it be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So as here you can see, let y equal to 4. The value of y is 4, the element 4. And here 4 is not the pre-image of, is not image of any element of set A, right? Any element of set A. Okay. Just wait a minute, wait. The image of A is 1, image of B is 2, and image of C is 3, okay. So here we write कि 4 is not the image of any element of domain F, ठीक है, of domain F. Do you know about the domain now?
Yeah.
The function, the elements of set A which holds the function are known as the domain, right? Or which holds the relation are known as the domain, okay. So domain F, ठीक है, domain F, so it is not onto function, or you can say कि it is a into function, okay. So
Okay.
it is a into function. There is one more way to prove it, okay. As here, take example, the function r to r, okay, real number to real number, okay. If fx is equal to 2x, if fx will be 2x, so here as fx equal to 2x, this function is given, okay. Here we have to satisfy it, okay. So when we will take y equal to 2x, y equal to 2x, okay, fx means y, fx means the function of x, है ना. If we will apply the function in the set x, we will get the element of y, right. So that's why I have written here y, and y will be 2x, it will be equal to 2x, right. So what will be the value of x? Can you please tell me? What will be the value of x when you will solve it?
What will be the value of x?
X, yes. So x will be, tell me,
If we
this
take
2.
f of in,
No,
okay,
solve
so
this
y
one.
by 2, y by 2.
Y by 2, है ना, it will be
Yeah.
y by 2, okay.
Hmm.
Y by 2, is it clear?
Yeah.
Now as you can see here, here we will write, now function of y by 2, as here the value of x is y by 2 na, and here the function is fx equal to 2x. So in x, in the function x, here x है ना, this x, we will put the value of y by 2, okay. So it will be
Okay.
2x है ना, and 2 into the value of x is y by 2, right. So 2 will be
Yeah.
cancelled, it will be y which belongs to r, right. So we can say that na कि function of y by 2 will be equal to y है ना, which belongs to r, right. So every element of codomain f is image of some element of domain f, right?
Mm.
of domain f, है ना? so it is
Yeah.
so it is onto function. It will be a onto function, है ना? so
Mm.
this is one of the example, okay? or this can be asked as a question कि check this function is onto function or into function. This will be given, okay? The function will belongs from r to r, okay? Real numbers to real numbers. The function hold from real number to real, and the relation is given fx equal to 2x, right?
Mm.
है ना? So
Yeah.
here we have to satisfy it, or we have to check it. So as here fx equal to 2x, it is given. This point is given, है ना? This point is
Mm.
given. And as we know that fx means function of x. Function of x gives the element of y, right? The set y or the second set, है ना? So that's why I have written here y equal to 2x. Now when you will solve x, so x will be y by 2. Now put the value of x in the relation, okay? So
Mm.
fx, as the relation is fx equal to 2x, so here in the place of x we will put 2y by 2, and here in the right side again x. So in the place of x we will put, what we will put, tell me?
In the place of x,
Huh? We will put
y by
y by
2.
2, है ना? What we will
Mm.
put? Y
Y
by
by
2,
2.
okay? So y by 2, and it will be y,
Y.
है ना? Y,
Y.
it will be
Yeah.
y,
Y.
which belongs to the relation real number,
Mm.
है ना? So
Yeah.
that's why we can say that na, if we will put any
So you
value,
stop sharing your screen.
just wait a minute. So I was saying that as you can see here, when you will
Mm.
put any value in y, है ना? Just wait. So that's why I was saying that when you will put any value in y, when you will put any value in y, that is y by 2, है ना? In y,
Mm.
it will give a value y, right? It will give
Yeah.
a value y, है ना? So
Mm.
and it's belong to r, right? It's
Yeah.
mean कि if the set of relation, that is x, and here it is y, if it consists element, I was saying that कि suppose the set x has 1 2 3 4 5 like this, okay? And this side also 1 2 3 4 5 like this, all are real numbers now. So here we can say that
Mm.
function belongs to r to r. This set is also consist, the set x also consists real numbers, the set y also consists real numbers, right? So
Yeah.
function belongs r to r. Is it clear? When you will put y by 2, y by 2 means if you are taking y as a 4, okay? So it will be 4 by 2, it will be 2 which belongs to set y, right? है ना?
Mm.
Okay? Or when you will take 4 from y, then it will be y by 2 which will be 2, which also exists in the set x, right? Means here we can
Yeah.
say that na, ki here 4 is will be the pre-image of x, right? Or the elements of
Yeah.
y will be the pre-image of will be the image of set x, right? So that's why I've
Mm.
written here ki, every element of codomain f is a image of some elements of the domain f, okay? So that's why
Oh.
it will be a onto function, okay? Is it
Mm.
clear? So
Clear.
first note down this one, the definition of sir, into function. Okay, both definition. Now example. After this one explanation, and now from here you have to note down a question. That is also, this is also come as a question in exam. Okay, it can be asked. So you have to note down after this one. So now we start from the into function. Note down it, please.
Okay.
Yes, Akshat. So is there any doubt till here? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt?
No, sir.
No. Now we will know a last type of function, that is one onto function. One onto function. Okay. There is one more name for this one. Can you guess it? Or bijective function.
Bijective.
Yes, or bijective function. Okay, is it clear? One onto or bijective function. Okay, na? Can you guess what type of function is known as one onto or bijective function? What type of function is known as one onto or bijective function? It's too easy. The meaning or the definition is already hidden in the name. You have to just decode it. So let's guess it. What type of function will known as one onto or bijective function? Yes, tell me. It's too simple, Akshat. Just see here. Now, what is written here? What is written here? See. Tell me. One. And this one is? This one is? Onto. You can see here the two functions are written togetherly, right? है ना? Two types of function are written togetherly. One onto. So we can say that a function, what we will say? A function which is both. Tell me what it will be. Which is both?
Both one and
Yes, one and. See the name now. It's too simple
and
now. What is
onto.
written here?
Onto.
Onto. Okay, so it's too simple. A function which is both one and onto function. That type of function is known as.
One onto.
One onto or bijective function. है ना?
Bijective.
Bijective or one onto. Okay. One onto function. Is it clear?
Clear.
Or any doubt?
No
So
doubt.
by name you can easily understand it, as here it is written one onto. In the name it is already hidden. The meaning is already hidden in the name. Means a function which is both one and onto. है ना? That function is known as one onto function. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear or any doubt?
No doubt.
No. So please note down it. And these were the types of function which we have to learn in our 12th standard. Okay.
Okay.
So one function, which is also known as injective function, many one function. These two we have already done in the previous class. And today we have done for onto, which is also known as surjective, into function, and the last one is one onto, which is bijective function. Okay. So is there any doubt?
No, sir.
Hello.
No, sir.
Now let's see here. A function can be both one, right, and onto. A function can be both one and onto. Yes, just now we learned it, na? Bijective function. Hello. Hello. Hello, Akshat.
Yes, sir. I returned. I said.
Okay. Sorry. Actually, the mic was on mute. Yes.
Okay.
So I was saying that a function can be both one and onto, right? है
Yeah.
ना? Hmm.
Yeah.
Yes. Now let's do some questions. Okay. As a
Okay.
practice. Hmm. Hmm. Just wait a minute. Let me check. Let's see here. There is a question, exercise 1.2, question number 2. Okay.
Okay.
Exercise 1.2, question number 2. For 2, we will do the first question. Here it is saying that कि check the injective and surjective of the flowing functions, है ना?
Yeah.
Injective and surjective. So which function is known as injective function? Injective function.
Injective function is
One function, na?
yeah, one.
One function is known as injective, and surjective
Hmm. On
onto. Onto
on to.
function is known as surjective function, right?
Okay.
So
Yeah.
here we have to check one and onto for the flowing function. Let's check for the first one. Okay, the
Hmm.
f such that n to n. Okay, n to n, natural number to natural number. Okay, given
Okay.
by, the relation is given by fx equal to x square. Okay, now let's see here.
Hmm.
Hmm. As here you can see, first we will understand is pictorial representation. Okay, or
Okay.
pictorial explanation. I will explain first it by pictures. Suppose this is
Okay.
set A and this is set B. Both
Hmm.
says consist the elements which are natural number, है ना? So they
Yeah.
will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot till infinity. Similarly, B will also 1 2 3 4 5 6 dot till infinity, right? Now
Yeah.
let's first check for one function. One function means each and every element of set A has a unique image or one image in set B, right?
Yeah.
That type of function is known as one function, right now?
Yeah.
Okay. So here, as it is written fx equal to x square, right? When we
Yeah.
will put when x equal to 1 from the set A, which belongs to set A, right? है ना?
Yeah.
See here, one is in the set A na. See this one,
Hmm.
है ना? So when you will put in f1 or when you will find the f1, it will be x square means square of 1. It will be 1,
Yeah.
right? It will be
Hmm.
1. So f1 will be equal to 1, right? Which also belongs to set B, as you can see here. Means the element of set A, which is 1, its image will be one of the set B. Is it clear? Now
Yeah.
let's check for 2. For 2, when x will be 2 belongs to set A, okay, from the set A. So this one, this 2, okay. So
So
when you will
set
put
B, it will
F2,
be 4, right?
yes, very good. Square of 2, which is 4. Is it belonging to set B? 4?
Yeah.
Yes. So
Yeah.
2, the image of 2 will be 4, है ना? Right?
Yeah.
Which belongs to B. Similarly, we can do for 3. It will be 9, which
9
also belongs
set
to set
3.
B. For 4, it will be 16. For 5, it will be 25.
Yeah.
For 6, it
Yeah.
will be 36. Means, as you can see here, each element of set A is its own a unique image in set B, right?
Yeah.
And each and every one has its own image, है ना? No one
Yes, sir.
has the same image in set B. So we can say that ki yes, this is, yes, f is 1 1. Okay. Hence we
Yeah.
have proved it now. Now let's check for onto. Onto said that what was the definition for onto or surjective? It said that na
Like,
कि every element of set B will be the image of element of set A, right?
yeah. Yeah.
So as you can see here, 2, 2 which belongs to set B, is it is it the image of any element of A? Is it the element of any image of A?
Yeah.
How?
Wait, sir.
I am taking 2 from set B.
Yeah.
2 is the image of any element of A. See na, I have draw it na. See the function, pictorial representation. 2, 3, 5, 6. They will be the element of will they be image of element of A?
No, sir.
No na. It will not satisfy the condition na, this condition,
Yeah.
है ना?
Yeah.
Because 2, 3, 5, 6, these are not the square numbers, so we will not get it, है ना? So as you can
Yeah.
see here, every element of set B is not the image of element of set A, okay?
Okay.
As you can see here, every element of set B is not the image of element of set A, okay? Some elements of set B is the image of element of set A, okay? So
Okay.
it will not be a, not a on onto function na,
Yeah.
onto function, okay? So it will be not a onto function, okay? Hence we have here proof that ki this function, the given function is 1 1 but not onto, okay? This is the pictorial explanation, okay?
Okay.
But in exam, now let's see here how you have to explain it. Now we will see how you have to solve it in your copy, okay?
Okay.
Hmm. Suppose this is the margin of your copy, okay? Here we will write, first we will check for injective. Injective, okay?
Yeah.
So let x1 x2 belongs to n, okay, है ना?
Okay.
as here as here the function n belongs to n, given by fx equal to x square, right, है ना?
Yeah.
So when we will take function of x1, it should be equal to function of x2, right? So here we
Yeah.
can say that x1 will be equal to x2 and x1 minus, sorry, it will be x1 square na, or x2 square. So it will be x1 square minus x2 square will be 0, right? Now as we know that since a square minus b square, what is the formula of a square minus b square?
A square minus B square.
Yes,
A plus 1 into A minus B
a plus b and a minus b, right?
into A
So
minus B.
yes, we will apply the formula here, okay? So it will be x1 plus x2 multiply x1 minus x2, right?
Yeah.
Now we will solve it, okay? So here two condition we will get. The first condition is x1 plus x2 and the second is equal to 0, and the second condition will be x1 minus x2 will be 0, okay? Now as you can see here, x1 will be equal to minus x2, which will be not possible, okay? So here we will write it is not possible, and here we will write x1 is equal to x2, okay, which satisfy the condition of 1 1, है ना? So here we write here, therefore function of x1 will be function of x2 equal to, है ना? So x1 is equal to x2, therefore f is injective, okay? Injective function. Is it clear?
Yeah.
Clear now? Now we will check for surjective. Now we will check for
Objective.
surjective, okay? Let's see here. Here we will write for surjective. Surjective, okay?
Yeah.
So here we will write let y equal to fx, okay? So y is will be equal to x square because fx it is given na, fx is x square, the relation is given na. See here, we have written it also, fx is equal to x square. So here we will write y equal to x square. So x will be, what it will be, tell me?
What, sir?
Here I said that here we let y equal to fx, okay? When we will
Okay.
put the function fx, it will get y, it will give y, right? And
Yeah.
here the value of fx is x2, fx is x2 x square, sorry, है ना? So here we will write y is equal to x square, we can write it na. So y will be or sorry, x will be, what will be the value for x, tell me?
Value of x would be root y.
Yes, very good, है ना? X will be
Yeah.
root under y, okay? So here when we will let y equal to 2, okay, then x will be root under 2,
Yeah.
right? Which doesn't belongs to n, है ना? Which is not belonging to n. It's mean it is not belonging from the set x, from the first set, है ना? Y is available in set B, as here we have two sets now of the natural number, right?
Yeah.
What were the sets? A and B both are of natural number, 1 2 3 4 5 like this. Again here 1 2 3 4 5 6 like this, okay? So 2 is in set B, but root 2 is not in set B na, so it
Yeah.
doesn't follow the statement na, or the relation. So here we write कि as root under 2 is not a natural number, not a natural number, okay? So it is not image of of any element of कोडोमेन है ना, कोडोमेन n of the function n of the function, sorry, n of function. Okay, so therefore it is not, what we will say, surjective. Okay, it is not subjective. So like this you have to solve all the questions in your homework copy, in test, or in also exam. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear? So you can
Yeah.
solve now.
Yeah.
Okay, now you have to practice the questions of the exercise 1.2. Okay,
Okay.
is it clear? And if there
Yeah.
will be any doubt, I will discuss it in the next class. Okay.
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 Yes, so first note down it, the all one from here. Yes, see the question. This is the question. This is the pictorial explanation. If you want to note down, you can note down, but no need. Okay. From
Okay.
here you have to note down for injective. Okay, because in exam, in your copy, fair copy, in test, you have to write like this. Okay, you have to prove
Okay.
like this. Okay, na? So like
Yeah.
this you have to note down it. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
Yes. And for today we will keep till here. After this we will continue in the next class. Okay.
Okay.
But for now, note down it.